Well, a picture doesn't say much. The reason for this video is some LEDs which work quite well, but they're the LED H4s in my car. They have turbo fans. Those turbo fans, after about a week, have started making a funny noise. And then they warm. They come good. I don't think it affects the LED. Haven't had a problem. But that noise, I don't think it's supposed to be there. So without further ado, alright, it's this passenger one. I can feel the vibrations on the glass. The other one is fine, and this one has come good. It comes good every time, but I probably should have popped the bonnet, but works fine. Works really well actually. I'm not inclined to change them, but just that strange sound on startup. I don't know what it is, but you give the housing a tap, the fan feels a bit loose. Yeah, so that's. I was going to send the eBay seller a photo, but I don't think a photo would do any justice. It had to be a video. I haven't left any feedback yet. Yeah, that's that. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I should have paid $100-200 for a good set, but let's see what the eBay seller says. You know, if they look after me here, they get good feedback. If not, well, you know, they sold the product to me, and when I said, oh, it was good for a week, and then afterwards it started making funny noises. Oh, that's normal with, it's got a fan, sound is normal. So, yeah, they're not really listening to me. When I said it was fine, then started making a noise, they tried to tell me that that's normal. I'm sorry, but there's a noise of a fan, and then there's whatever the hell's going on there. So if the eBay seller's going to be funny with me, well, it's not going to get them very far. That's that. I've got places to be, people to see, and yeah, see you on the next one.